App smashing with Keynote and MAKR. Let's start by opening up a blank presentation in Keynote. We will be using this Keynote to create all the objects that we need to import into MAKR. Delete any text boxes that are on the slide so that you will have a completely blank slide. Save your Keynote file by renaming it. You can use this file for continued use as you build more and more objects for MAKR. Tap the plus sign next to the paintbrush. This will give you access to your photo library. Select your photo and add it to your slide. While it's still selected, you can hit the paintbrush icon and you will see a button that says Instant Alpha. If you take a look at the picture in picture, you will see how the white background disappeared. Instant Alpha will allow you to key out the colors that you do not need, and this is what allows us to have a transparent background. One of the final steps is to take your background color and set it to no fill. Tap the three dots at the top of the screen, select Export, and choose Images. The image type must be set to PNG. This is how we're able to get our transparent backgrounds. If you have multiple pictures, you can choose the slides that you want to export. Tap Export, and on the pop-up, choose Save Images. Now all of your exported images from Keynote should be in your photo library. Now it's time to move into our MAKR app. Let's open up MAKR and under Templates, choose Create Your Own Scene. After setting your scene boundaries, look for the button on the left that says New. Here you will see a paintbrush, a camera, and a folder icon. Choose the folder icon to get access to your photo library. Well, that sums up app smashing with Keynote and MAKR. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe.